Welcome to Engineering and Project Management channel. I'm Khan, and today we're gonna discuss about the town planning and urban planning. So this is the presentation. I am Khan Yusufzai Imtiaz. So this is about construction. As you guys knew about the construction, that there are uh, like house construction, building construction. Town planning is something little bit different. As the cities are growing, so the surrounding area along the cities, people they buy it, and they then convert it to the town planning. So town planning is actually when you buy the land and then you make a plan that where are you to construct the houses, shopping mall, park, and everything. So the availability of universities and hospitals. So that's called town planning. So here is what we do in town planning. Town planning is we do planning, designing, and development, and at the end we sell or lease our residential plots slash houses or bungalows, and we do sell our lease our shopping malls when we do the construction. So planning acquire land, mm, or purchase a land. So that's an acquire or get permit from city government, obtain city code and standard for designing and construction, and hire engineering consultant. So this is in the planning stage. What we do, we do acquire the land or purchase the land, and then we get apply for the permit and get permit from the city government, and for the construction and designing we also obtain codes and standard from the city government. And the most important that we hire engineering consultant. They do architectural designing for us, and also the construction plan and everything they prepare. So they are consultant. And then we go to designing. So designing is actually in engineering, but when you prepare map of the area and the feasibility study, and they also do an architecture design for the town and prepare map showing roads, streets, park, community center, shopping mall, and residential plot. So that's what the engineering consultant do, and according to the code and standard of the city where you are doing the planning for the town planning. Development is when we do finish the planning and designing, then we start development. So start operations. We do clear the land, do survey and plotting everything on ground, starting from major roads, streets, parks, malls, and residential plot. And then we correlate our town plan with the surrounding other infrastructure, and the main roads or highway. So that's called the development, where we construct. And then the town planning, fourth stage is sell or lease. So let me close this. So then we sell or lease our unit before construction, and prepare to sell residential plot, and prepare do construct houses and malls. So and then sell or lease it. So we can do before construction and after also when we construct the house. So here is an example. This is the example is let me go back. This is length is 12,000 feet, width is 10,000 feet, so the total area is 12 million square feet. Let's say the price of this is initially $5, and so the total price is $600 million when you purchase the land. And let's assume that 1/3 area it goes in parks, roads, streets, and community housing. So you're not gonna sell it, but you're gonna prepare it and just for the beauty and the easiness of your towns to attract people to buy it. So now you have to sell 2/3 area of your lease area. So now divide 120 million square feet by 3. So close this. So how much you got? You got 80 million square feet to sell it. So now you have bought on $5. Now you gonna increase the price 2.5. So you still have the same price, 600 million. So here is here is the profit after designing an initial development of park, road, street, community center, and demarcation of residential plot and malls. So you gonna sell it before construction to other person if you want, so you can make some profit. So the profit to sell the profit to sell before construction of the house is, so 600 million is the basic cost, and for the water supply and street and all electricity and amenities, let's say 20 million, and then you put your 30% of your profit, which is 18.6 million. So now the selling of your town before constructing the house unit and shopping mall and all these preparation, your selling price is now $638.6 million. So acquiring the land and then preparing the maps and designing and do the roads and the parks, and then selling the empty residential plots and shopping mall, you can make like 18 to 20 million dollar profit. So and now the price per square is 7.9675, mean $8. Or if you want to do construct the housing unit and the shopping mall, so then you're gonna make more profit in the town planning. So that's how, what I mean that per square feet, let's say when we divide the whole area in 3, and 1/3 of our area it goes in the parks, community center, and roads and construction, and that 1/3 the cost of 1/3 area you gonna add to the remaining area, and then your designing and pre-construction charges, and if you don't want to construct, you can sell it to the other person, and then they gonna construct the whole area, and they add, when they buy on 7.8 or $8 per square feet, so then they gonna buy, then they gonna sell it, making their profit. So it's kind of town planning. It's called town planning. Thank you, and have a nice day.